If you have a chain-driven mechanical clock, you may have run into the chains slipping off the wheels. This can happen for a few reasons. Pulling the chains up without the weights on them, or pulling the chains at an angle are two major reasons why the chains can slip. To avoid this issue, it's best to pull the chains straight down, and if you have to pull the chains up without the weights on them, do it slowly and carefully. If you're watching this video though, you probably already run into this problem. We'll walk you through the process of fixing the issue step by step. Reinstalling the chains while the movement is still inside the clock is extremely difficult. It is possible, especially if you use something like knitting needles or chopsticks to manipulate the chains. However, we don't recommend this option. It's far better to remove the movement from the clock case. The process of removing the movement will differ a little depending on your clock. No matter what clock you have though, the hands will need to come off before the movement can come out. You will also need to remove the weights if they're still hanging on the chains. Some clocks require the movement to be taken out where the dial is. Others will have an access panel either on the back or the side. Once you have the movement out, turn it upside down. This way, gravity will help you feed the chains back in. Be careful not to drop the movement. This could cause permanent damage. Use your finger to push the sprocket to find out which way the ratchet spins. Next, check the chain. It will have a tab end and a hook end. You want to take the tab end and feed that back into the movement. The hook end will be left hanging down. Take the tab end of the chain and feed it down and over the chain wheel. Once enough of the chain is over the wheel, turn the movement back upright and pull the chain through. After that, reinstall the movement and hang the weights again. Make sure you pull the chains straight down when the weights need to be reset. That way you can prevent this issue from occurring again. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. For clock parts, tutorials, and more, head over to EmperorClock.com.